All right, y'all, so what do we have here? We have a vacuum chamber that I bought off Amazon. This is for the epoxy, by the way, so whenever you do pour it, you don't have so many bubbles. But I just took it out of the box, and I'm gonna show you guys what we have. Guess this is the cover. Plastic and all that stuff over it, well, rubber, I guess, so it can seal. Nothing else in here. It's well packed, by the way. And inside the actual chamber, I don't know what the fuck this is for, but we have the gauges. Make sure I don't cut them hoses. Yeah, here's the gauge, the hoses, and everything that you need for it. And we're gonna actually open up the chamber itself. This one is 3 gallons, because I figured, you know, just in case I don't want to have more epoxy than well, not enough epoxy, and I have to keep doing this over and over, and then it'll mess up. But this is what we have. It's like a cooking pot. I guess this is the seal that goes on top of here. Well, we'll see. And let's open up the vacuum pump. Instruction manual, don't need it. I'll probably have to pick it up later. Oh, it's a nice little baby pump. All right, that's all that came in the box, the little pump, and I think this is vacuum pump oil. All right, so I like it. Looks so small. Well, take this bad boy out of here. And let's put the Earl in it. It's got a little, I guess, sight here, so you know how much oil it's got in it. Should probably use a funnel. I'm not too good pouring this stuff in there, but I was a mechanic for a long time, so I should be able to pour this in there without spilling it. But we're about to find out. So if I'm not mistaken, this little piece here will let air go through it so it can come out easily. And it's working. No spills so far. And no funnel. And I'm gonna just pour the whole thing in there because I don't think it's gonna fill up all the way anyway. Bro, no mess. And I can tell it's not filled up all the way, but I can see it looks filled up all the way. Oh yeah, still a little bubble there, so I know it's not all the way up, but I went way past max. Hey, there we go. You can see the little line there. It's filled to the max. Fuck it. All right, y'all. Well, I'm a little later on today. I'm gonna mix some epoxy and actually make this thing. Well, try it out for the first time. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. But I think it'll work for what I needed, and it's Vevor or Vevor, whatever you call it. So hopefully it'll last. Peace.